What's up, guys? It's Kristen, your self-proclaimed QuickBooks nerd. Today, we will be taking a quick look at how to record a bill payment in QuickBooks Online. Recording a bill payment in QuickBooks Online is just that. You are recording money that has already left your bank account or has been paid via credit card to satisfy a vendor balance you had due. QuickBooks does not move any of your money around unless you are using their built-in bill pay software. In this video, we will be recording a bill payment that has been processed through a checking account or a credit card, not via QuickBooks Online. Let's see how it's done. We can record a bill payment in two different ways from our dashboard. On our dashboard, under the Get Things Done tab, we can select the options to pay bills, or you can use the new button in the upper left corner and the vendor column, the fourth option down, and select the option to pay bill. Both will bring you to the same screen. Here, we are going to select the payment account where our payment came out of. Again, the transaction has already happened in our bank account. We are just recording that that vendor balance has been satisfied in QuickBooks. So here, when we select our payment account, we are going to select what account it actually came out of. So that could be either a credit card or a bank account. The balance that we see here is our book balance. This does not necessarily reflect the balance that has happened on our actual credit card. That comes to reconciliations and everything later on. Next, we're going to select our payment date. Let's make it October 15th. We're then going to see all of our open bills. Open bills is going to be sorted by their due date. We're actually going to ignore all of these overdue bills, not that you should do that in real life, but we're going to record a bill payment for the transaction Norton Lumber and Building Materials. If you watch the Create Bill video before this, you will notice that's the one that we created together. So we're going to select that bill off, and then here, as soon as you select off the bill, your payment amount is going to default to the open balance due. Just because it defaults to that balance does not mean that that has to be your bill payment amount. So let's say rather than paying that full $1,000, we only paid $500. The total amount here is going to be the total amount of the payment that we entered. And then down here below, we're going to see our current account balance. Notice the current account balance of $157.72 matches the balance next to our credit card up here at the top. Then we're going to have our total payment, the total of all of the bill payments that we have selected, to give us a new account balance of the $657.72. Using bill and bill payments is very helpful for cash flow purposes, because for things like this, we can determine which vendors we want to pay without actually initiating payment to them here, and see how that's going to affect our cash balance or our credit card balances. So here, if we make this payment of $500, our new account balance is going to be $657.72. Down here in the bottom right corner, you can see the option for schedule payments online. This would be if you wanted to use QuickBooks Online bill payment functionality. We are not doing that here. We are going to be initiating the payment outside of QuickBooks and just recording it in this system. Because of that, we're going to use the drop down here, and we're just going to select the option to save and close. Now that bill payment has been recorded,